Well, folks, let me talk about Omni CNC equipment. I have to tell you that after 30 years in the CNC business, one day, 10 years ago, I met Omni CNC equipment. And I only have to say that they're very good machines. They are very reliable. This company manufactures their machines using the best parts and best structures they can afford. And they give you the opportunity to have a very reliable machine. I have been using them for many years, and I have met a lot of customers that already have their machines and they are very satisfied customers. During the sale and the after sale, they are doing a great job. I think this is one of the best machine money can buy, made out in China and exported to many countries in the world. I can recommend Omni machines for sure because they are reliable and you can work with them at your shop without any trouble. So buy Omni machine. They're good.